Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing 2 healthy Moringa recipes ideal to include as a lunchbox meal in your weight loss journey. Moringa is highly beneficial for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS and diabetes. So let's get started with the recipes. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 3/4 cup of fresh Moringa leaves, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, pink Himalayan salt as needed, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, half teaspoon jeera also known as cumin seeds, and with my hand I'm mixing all this really well. Into this I'm adding in half cup of jawar flour also known as sorghum. Jawar is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten free. I'm adding in some water, about 1/4 cup of water, and I'm mixing it with my hand. Once mixed, I'm adding in another 1/4 cup of water and again mix it. I added a total of half cup of water. Once mixed, this is the consistency you should be looking at. You should be able to spread the batter with your thumb like this. To make the roti, I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil. Gingerly oil is also known as sesame oil or til oil. I have divided the dough into 3 equal sized portions and I'm taking one portion of the dough and placing it in the middle. And I'm lightly pressing it down. Just dip your finger in water and press down into a round circle. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil, cover and let it cook on low flame. Couple of minutes later, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Allow that side to get cooked. And once that side is done, flip it over. Serve the Moringa jawar roti onto a plate. I'm placing the jawar Moringa roti on the lunch box. I'm serving it with my vegan carrot raita. And as an after meal snack, I'm also serving some grapes. And my super healthy lunchbox made with Moringa leaves is ready to serve. The best thing about this roti is that once it has cooled down, it will be very soft, hence it's ideal to carry as a lunchbox meal. For this recipe, I'm using my homemade whole wheat bread. I'm slicing 2 slices of the bread. I prefer to use my homemade bread in my recipes. However, you can use any locally sourced bread of your choice. I'm going to keep the bread slices aside. Let me also show you how I store the leftover bread. So what I do is I take a cotton napkin, clean cotton napkin, and I wrap the bread in the cotton napkin like this. And then I keep the bread in a Ziploc bag. And then I keep it in the refrigerator. So this way my homemade bread keeps good for a couple of weeks in the refrigerator. And this is how I do it. Also note that homemade whole wheat bread will be slightly denser than bread made with refined flour or maida. I'm using 1 free range egg in this recipe. Into this I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed, freshly ground black pepper powder as needed, and with a fork I'm whisking the eggs. I'm heating my small kadai with 2 teaspoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Give it a good stir and lightly saute the onions until they start to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, I'm adding in half cup fresh Moringa leaves. Give it a good stir. The leaves will almost start to wilt. Once the leaves are lightly wilted, I'm adding in the beaten egg and quickly scramble the egg. I've already added salt in the egg. Add salt as needed. Lastly, I like to add in a little bit of black pepper powder. If you are making for children, reduce black pepper and green chilli as per their taste. And once the egg is scrambled well, turn off the flame. And my Moringa scrambled egg is ready. Place the Moringa egg mix onto the bread slice. Cover with the other slice. Lightly press it down. You can have the sandwich without toasting, but I like to toast the sandwich before having it. So I'm using my toaster, which can be kept on the gas stove. You can also toast it on a cast iron tawa. And once the bread is nicely toasted, I'm allowing it to cool down lightly, and then I'll slice and serve. Place the sandwich onto the lunchbox, some sliced mango as an after meal snack, and my super healthy Moringa sandwich for lunchbox is ready to serve. So guys, do try these Moringa recipes and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.